Right then, hope you're all enjoying yourselves and enjoying this great weather while it lasts. Just a quick little tip I want to give, not cooking anything but just looking at garnishing for pasta. So I've just microwaved some of the tagliatelle, courgette, mint pasta that we did. So I'm just bringing that over. We've stored this in the fridge. You can see that's what we did. I'm just going to serve this, but I want to show you just a couple of garnishes which are really nice and really healthy as well. You know, to definitely put on your shopping list. And something I'm quite passionate about on, you know, having lots of dried spices and herbs in. These are really good for you. You know, and I really do recommend them. A lot of them have a lot of really good properties that really help. You know, anti-inflammatory and lots of things help with your immune system. So I'm just going to plate this up. Jenna's outside waiting, so I'm just going to plate her some the pasta up. Now what you can do is you can always sprinkle a bit of parmesan on top, but this is a vegan dish, so we're just going to stick to trying to use things that are quite flavoursome without having to add cheese. So Jenna wants some nigella seeds, which are really nice, so I'm just going to sprinkle some of these over the top, and it really adds a bit of crunch to this, and you don't have to add a lot to. You can see that's really giving it a nice little finish. I'm actually going to go for the za'atar, which is quite a Middle Eastern speciality, and this, you know, contains sesame seeds, dried sumac, which in itself is herbs and spices, and then cumin seeds, oregano. And what we're going to do here is just sprinkle a little bit of that on top, which goes really well with pasta. That's how that looks. Really good finish. Although I've just been through some of my favourites, I'd also just show you the basic core things you can actually add. Some for a bit of spice, and some actual herbs you can add separately. I'm just going to look at the cumin seeds and also sesame seeds, which are obviously the nigella seeds are black sesame seeds. These are the white sesame seeds. We've also got cumin seeds and fennel seeds, which are quite nice to add on top as well. You know, in terms of quality, these pretty much all come from the same suppliers really, and the Tesco range is much cheaper, probably half the price of what Sainsbury's is. Obviously the girls want to match everything that's in the cupboards and so on, but you know, Tesco's cheaper. And in terms of chilli, obviously chilli flakes and chilli seeds is quite good. We've got some crushed chillies there, which is a mixture, and then we've also got some like ancho chilli flakes, which are really nice, a bit smoked, not too spicy either, and we really recommend these. So let's try and give these a little bit of a sprinkle. There we go. That's the ancho chilli flakes. Enjoy.